Welcome to the Healthy Heart Ambassador Blood Pressure Self-Monitoring Program's Nutrition Education Seminar. Today, we'll focus on shopping, preparing, and cooking food for better blood pressure management. This video will cover nutrition and blood pressure facts, using food labels to shop for blood pressure-friendly foods, how to prepare and cook food, and incorporating salts, herbs, and spices. Our nutrition choices have a direct impact on our blood pressure. To support heart health, eat a variety of nutritious foods from all food groups, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, low-fat dairy, lean meats, and nuts. Choose foods low in sodium, saturated fat, and trans fats. Most Americans consume too much sodium. 77% of the salt we consume is added during food processing. Sodium intake should be between 1,500 and 2,400 milligrams per day. The average American consumes 3,400 milligrams per day. When shopping, plan meals and make a list. Avoid shopping on an empty stomach. Stick to the perimeter of the store for fresh items and read labels. Choose fresh, plain frozen, or no added salt canned options for produce and lean meats. This chart helps you choose more heart-friendly foods, like grilled chicken, low-sodium canned foods, and fresh vegetables. You should choose less of smoked meats, cheeses, salty snacks, and canned vegetables. Reading food labels is important for choosing wisely. Watch for high levels of saturated fat, trans fat, or hydrogenated fat. Also, monitor sodium levels, as higher salt intake means higher blood pressure. Pay attention to terms like free, very low, low, reduced, or less on labels. Compare nutrition labels, like those for frozen versus canned peas. Notice how frozen peas have significantly less sodium, offering a healthier choice for blood pressure management. In this cereal comparison, the Mixed Berry Cereal Crunch is healthier. It has less sodium and sugar and more beneficial nutrients like protein and potassium, which help manage blood pressure. For better blood pressure management in food preparation, use salt-free seasoning, fresh herbs and spices, or lemon and lime juice for flavor. Cook starches without salt, rinse canned foods to reduce sodium, and remove the salt shaker from your table. Herbs and spices are excellent for flavoring foods without adding sodium. This chart shows examples like basil, cinnamon, chili powder, and thyme, and the foods they complement. Further ways to reduce sodium intake include substituting butter or oil with water or low-sodium broths for sautéing. Use lower fat substitutions, reduced fat and low-sodium condiments, and replace fatty meats with beans and vegetables in recipes. Helpful cooking tools include non-stick cookware to reduce added fats, a vegetable steamer insert to retain nutrients, and a spice turntable or garlic press for easier use of herbs and spices. Now, let's practice what we've learned by trying a recipe makeover. Let's review a common taco pizza recipe. Can you identify 5 modifications that can be made to create a healthier version? Consider the ground beef, seasoning mix, crescent rolls, refried beans, cheese, and olives. Here are some possible modifications for a healthier taco pizza. Substitute ground beef with lean ground turkey. Use reduced sodium seasoning, reduced fat crescent rolls, and make your own refried beans to control the sodium. Use reduced fat shredded cheese and rinse the black olives. Let's open up the discussion on how you can apply these tips. Think about how you currently prepare to shop for food. Do you plan meals or make a list? What blood pressure-friendly substitutions can you make? Also, consider how you prepare food at home, using fresh ingredients and blood pressure-friendly techniques. And how can your favorite recipes be modified? Next, let's look at the role of physical activity in blood pressure management. Regular physical activity significantly reduces blood pressure and improves cardiovascular risks. 30 minutes of moderate physical activity, like a brisk walk, 6 to 7 days a week, totaling 180 minutes, can lead to better blood pressure management. These resources support the claim that physical activity aids in blood pressure management. Thank you for participating in this video. Remember to focus on healthy shopping, preparing, and cooking techniques for better blood pressure management.